Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Windows 11 screen won't turn off after the specified time, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Here's the reason for it. If you search for device manager and open the device manager, there are a lot of peripherals like keyboards. Okay, I'll show you. Right click on the keyboard and select properties, go to power management. It says allow this device to wake up the computer, so you can uncheck it and click on OK. But there are many other devices which can wake up your computer, so you will have to find the device which is connected and is causing the problem, and this can only be done by hit and trial. And if it is a software, let's say it's not a hardware, it's not a device, it's a software. So to counter that part, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable, all apply, OK, and then restart the computer. This will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.